Assalamualaikum dear students, this is 9th Saptar. In this video you will learn exercise 6.5 solution of inequations. As students, in previous video you will learn solution of equations. An expression involving sign of equals to is known as equation. And what are inequations? How can we define inequations, inequalities? An expression involving these four symbols are known as inequations. This is greater than, less than, greater than and equals to, less than and equals to. For example, students, if we have x is greater than 5, here x is belongs to natural numbers. You know, natural numbers means counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But this shows x is greater than 5 means value of x is 6, 7, 8, 9 up to so on. All natural numbers which are greater than 5. Let's suppose if x is less than 5, if we have x is less than 5, then it means all numbers, all natural numbers which are less than 5, that is x is equals to, less than 5 is 4, 3, 2, 1. These are the natural numbers which are less than 5. If we have, students, x is greater than and equals to 5 and x is also belongs to, let's suppose, natural number, then this equation shows x is equals to 5, 6, 7, 8 up to so on. X is greater than and equals to 5 means we have to show 5. 5 is included. But x is greater than means 5 is not included. If we have x is less than and equals to 10 and x is belongs to natural number, so it means this equation shows all natural numbers which are less than and equals to 10 means 10, 9, 8 up to 1. These are the natural numbers which are less than and equals to 10. If you have this line, then this number must be included. This number is included. But here line is not, line is absent now, so this number is not included. So students, if you have this symbol, this means greater than. If you have this symbol, it means less than. Actually ना हमें राइट से रीड करना होता है, राइट से. यहाँ पर कुछ लिखा हुआ हो 10, यहाँ पर उससे कम लिख देता हूँ मैं 8. So students, 10 greater than 8. अब आप इस बात को अगर आप कंफ्यूज होते हो तो आप कैसे क्लियर कर सकते हो? ये जो सिंबल है, इस सिंबल में ये स्पेस ज़्यादा है, स्पेस डिक्रीज होता चला गया और बिल्कुल यहाँ जाकर ख़त्म हो गया. तो अगर आप यहाँ से रीड करोगे तो आप इसे रीड करोगे 10 इज़ ग्रेटर देन 8, और अगर लेफ्ट साइड से रीड करोगे 8 इज़ लेस, दिस थिंग इज़ लेस, साइज लेस, 8 इज़ लेस देन 10. इफ वी हैव x and y, so we will read, we always read from right. This is standard. We can also read from left, but this is standard. We usually read from right side. So x is less than y and y is greater than x. For example, students, in age I am greater than you or you is less than me. Okay, students. Now I am going to solve the questions. After solution, you will able to learn how to solve the inequations, how to deal with the inequalities. As in previous video, as you know, how can we solve the inequations? But now we are dealing with the inequations. We have question number 1. 2a minus 6 greater than 3 plus a for all values of a. Here a is present now. For all values of a, this symbol is read as for all. values of A belongs to natural number. In this question, our variable is A and A is belongs to counting numbers, natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to so on. So what is the value of A? We have to find this. Find the solution set. We have to find the value of A. That will be our solution set. How can we solve with students? We have 2A minus 6 greater than 3 plus A. For this students we have rule. We separate like terms on one side and other terms on after equals to. Means we will shift A to the left and this number minus 6 towards right. 2A minus A plus A will become minus A. When we shift minus 6 towards other side, it will become plus 6. 2A minus A वेरिएबल्स और नंबर्स, एक साइड पर वेरिएबल्स एक साइड पर नंबर्स शिफ्ट करने के बाद सिंप्लीफाई करो. 2A minus A 3 plus 6 is 9. Here value of A is greater than 9. A is greater than 9 means 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Why? Because A is belongs to natural number. So all counting numbers which are greater than 9 means 10, 11, 12, 13 up to so on. But students, how can we write the solution set in case of inequality? Therefore, solution set is equals to, we use curly bracket for the solution set and we have alphabet A now, we have value, we have variable A. So we will write A such that A belongs to what? Belongs to, according to the question, belongs to natural number, belongs to real number, belongs to एनी नंबर जो भी सिस्टम ऑफ नंबर्स में आपको बताया जाएगा उससे बिलोंग करेगा, बता देगा वो क्वेश्चन में आपको. बिलोंग्स टू व्हाट? बिलोंग्स टू नेचुरल नंबर. एंड आफ्टर एंड वी विल राइट द आंसर. A is greater than 9. A is greater than 9. This is your answer, students. Now we have next question, question number 4. How can we solve this question, students? We have 7 plus 5x divided by 3 greater than 1 minus x divided by 2. We can solve this equation. First we will cross multiply. Cross multiply means टू यहाँ शिफ्ट हो जाएगा और 3 यहाँ शिफ्ट हो जाएगा. We have 7 plus 5x. Here we have 1 minus x. Now we will just simplify like this question. 2 7s are 14, 2 5s are 10x greater than 3 1s are 3 or 3 multiplied by x 3x. How can we solve further? We will shift variables on one side and numbers on other side. So I am going to shift this minus 3x towards 10x. This is plus 10x or minus 3x will become plus 3x greater than 3. When we shift this 14 towards other side, it will become minus 14. So students, rule is that shift variables on one side and other numbers and all the remaining numbers on other side. Now 10 plus 3 is 13. So we have 13x now. 3 minus 14 is minus 11. And our answer is minus 11 over 13. So students, this is your answer. But how can we write the solution set of inequalities? In case of inequalities, students, we will write therefore solution set is equals to. In this question we have variable A. X is the alphabet. So we will write x such that x. If we have A now, we will write A such that A slash A belongs to what? Belongs to R for real numbers. तो तमाम क्वेश्चंस में अगर क्वेश्चन में A आ रहा है तो A such that A belongs to, क्वेश्चन में यहां से देखो आप B आ रहा है तो B such that B belongs to, जो वो आपको बता देगा. उसके बाद क्या करना है? इसके बाद आप लिखोगे एंड x is greater than minus 11 by 13. This is your answer, students. Now students, we have next question. In these two questions, first we have to break the inequality into two parts. How can we break? Students, if we have A is greater than B and B is less than C, we can break this inequality into two parts. First part of this inequality will become A is greater than B, and the second part of this inequality will be B is less than C. What we have to do students, जो भी मिडल में होगा ना उसे आप लेफ्ट के साथ भी ले लो और उसी को राइट के साथ भी ले लो, तो आपके पास दो इनइक्वालिटीज बन जाएंगी. नाउ वी विल सॉल्व. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, इन दिस क्वेश्चन we have question number 12, 7 less than 2y plus 3 less than 15 for all values of y belongs to natural number. So first we will break this inequality into two halves. That is, first part of this inequality will be 7 less than 2y plus 3. Now again take the middle part, 2y plus 3 less than 15. मिड को लेफ्ट के साथ ले लो और फिर अगेन मिड को ही राइट के साथ ले लो. You have two inequalities. Now solve these two. 7 less than 2y plus 3. How can we solve, students? We have to shift this 3 towards 7. 7 minus 3, 2y. We have to show numbers on variable y on one side and shift all the numbers on the other side. 7 minus 3 is 4 now, 2y. Now 2 times y, 2y. Now in next step we will divide this 2. So our answer is 2. 2 is less than y. How can we read this? 2 is less than y or y is greater than 2. Let's suppose in age I am greater than you और you less than me. तो सिमिलरली आपको दोनों तरफ से रीड करने आना चाहिए, वरना सॉल्यूशन सेट आप नहीं लिख पाओगे. 2 is less than y और y is greater than 2. This is your answer. Now students, solve this inequality. 2y less than 15 minus 3, 2y less than 12 by 2, y is less than 6. This is your answer, students. Now I am going to write the solution set of this inequality. We have variable y in the question and y belongs to natural number. So we will write y such that y belongs to natural number. Natural number, bold. And after this, students, we will write this answer. If we have one answer, then we will write this answer. But now we have two answers now. We will merge both of them. Here we have 2 less than y. If I write 2 less than y, तो ये फर्स्ट तो आ गया. अब सेकंड को हम यहां पर कैसे लिखेंगे? ये लिखा हुआ है y लेस देन 6. आंसर में y लिखा जा चुका है. उसके बाद अब आगे क्या होगा? y लेस देन 6. तो मैंने लिखा ये y है, लेस देन 6 आ गया. नाउ यू कैन रीड 2 लेस देन y less than 6. This is your answer, students. Now we have next question, question number 13. Minus 8 less than 3y plus 14 for all values of y belongs to natural number. So students, first break this inequality into two halves. We will take 3y with minus 8 less than 3y and 3y less than 14. Now simplify this. Minus 8 by 3 is less than y. This is your answer. 3y less than 14, y less than 14 by 3. You have two answers, students. After this you can form the solution set. We have y now, so y such that y belongs to natural number. And we have two answers. First answer is minus 8 by 3 less than y. Now students, how can we write the next? Y is less than 14 by 3. So we have y now, so we will write this symbol less than 14 by 3. This is your solution set. Now students, we have example number 4. 2x minus 1 divided by 3 within the mod less than 2 for all values of x belongs to R. R means real number. How can we solve this modulus inequality? Students, 2x minus 1 by 3 less than 2. We have mod on one side and single number on other side. So when we remove this modulus, then we will show plus minus sign with the वेरिएबल. इक्वेशन में जब आप इसे सॉल्व कर रहे थे 2x प्लस 3 मॉड इज इक्वल्स टू 5, तो आप यहां से मॉड हटा रहे थे. 2x प्लस 3 इज इक्वल्स टू प्लस माइनस शो कर रहे थे. इक्वेशन में आपकी मर्जी है, आप प्लस माइनस यहां शो करें या यहां शो करें, ब्रैकेट बना दो, इसमें आपकी मर्जी होती है, चॉइस होती है. मैंने तमाम क्वेश्चंस में इक्वल टू के बाद प्लस माइनस शो किया था मॉड हटाकर इक्वेशन में. बट व्हेन वी आर डीलिंग विद द इन इक्वेशन वी हैव टू शो प्लस माइनस विद द वेरिएबल. मॉड जहां पर होगा वहीं पर प्लस माइनस पहले आएगा. इसमें इक्वल टू के बाद मैंने शो किया था, पहले भी शो कर सकते हैं, चॉइस है. बट इसमें चॉइस नहीं है, इसमें आपको वेरिएबल जहां पर मॉड होगा वहीं पर उससे पहले प्लस माइनस शो करना है. क्यों शो करते हैं प्लस माइनस? मॉडुलस ऑफ अ नंबर रिप्रेजेंट्स डिस्टेंस ऑन अ रियल नंबर लाइन. 2 mod इज इक्वल्स टू 2 माइनस 2 mod इज ऑल्सो इक्वल्स टू 2, जो कि हम प्रीवियस वीडियो में स्टडी कर चुके हैं. नाउ वी विल सॉल्व दिस फर्दर. हाउ कैन वी सॉल्व? वी हैव टू पार्ट. फर्स्ट इज पॉजिटिव, सेकेंड इज नेगेटिव. सो फर्स्ट आई एम टेकिंग पॉजिटिव 2x minus 1 by 3 less than 2. Now I am taking negative. We have 2x minus 1 over 3 less than 2. Now we will just simplify this. Now students, plus तो ख़त्म हो जाएगा यहाँ से. 2x minus 1 over 3 less than 2. In next step 2x minus 3 2s are 6. Now how can we solve here? माइनस से ब्रैकेट ओपन कर दें आप. माइनस 2x प्लस 1 बाय 3 माइनस प्लस माइनस 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 प्लस लेस देन 2. नाउ 3 2s are 6. माइनस 2x प्लस 1 लेस देन 6. Now students, we have 2x minus 1 less than 6. We have 2x minus 1 less than 6 and minus 2x plus 1 less than 6. How can we solve this further, students? We have 2x minus 1 will shift towards other side. It will become plus 1 2x. 7 6 plus 1 is 7. X is less than 7 by 2. This is your first answer. Now we have minus 2x. We will shift this plus 1 towards other side. It will become minus 1 minus 2x 5. Now students, be careful. We have 2x less than 7 here now. When we shift this 2 towards the other side, we get 7 by 2. X is less than 7 by 2. Now we have minus 2x less than 5. When we shift this minus 2 on the other side, in this case, when we shift negative 2 towards other side in case of inequality, then this sign of inequality will reverse. This is less than, now it will become greater than. X is greater than minus plus minus is minus 5 by 2. You have to memorize this thing, students. This is the main difference between the solution of equations and inequations. Now, solution set. How can we write the solution set? In this question we have variable x, so we will write x such that x belongs to according to the question R and we have two answers of x, first and second. We will write first x is less than 7 by 2. X is less than 7 by 2. First is x is less than 7 by 2. Now here we have x is greater than minus 5 by 2. X is greater than minus 5 by 2. So x तो पहले से लिखा हुआ है. अब आप क्या करोगे? x is greater than, ये x की तरफ ये ओपन है, तो अब आपने क्या किया? ऐसे किया. तो आप ऐसे रीड करोगे x is greater than क्या है? minus 5 by 2. X is greater than minus 5 by 2. Minus 5 by 2 less than x. So how can we read this? Minus 5 by 2 less than x, and x is less than 7 by 2. This is your answer. Now students, in last you have to note the homework of this exercise. Question number 2, 3, 8 and 15. You have to solve these questions.